NEES is the George E. Brown Jr. Network for Earthquake Engineering Simulation, a major initiative of the Engineering Directorate of the National Science Foundation. The three essential components of NEES were developed from 1999 to 2004. Advanced experimentation laboratories, called equipment sites, have been established at 15 universities located across the nation. State-of-the-art information technology, or IT, developed by a team led by the University of Illinois, is provided by the San Diego Supercomputer Center to support collaboration and data usage. And a new nonprofit corporation, NEES Consortium, Inc., has been formed to provide community-based management of this nationwide infrastructure.
The users of NEES will be a broad community. We hope that it will include users from the academic institutions, faculty and their students, both undergraduate and graduate students. We hope practicing engineers will see NEES as a resource. We also hope that NEES will become a resource for K-12 faculty and students as well.
NEES will enable researchers to remotely collaborate on challenging earthquake research problems. Proposals are submitted to the National Science Foundation, where they are evaluated in a competitive peer review process. The NEES Consortium will administer ongoing NSF infrastructure funding to maintain the operation of the laboratories as well as coordinate efficient scheduling of the facilities. IT services are available through the consortium for storing research results and providing data, networking, and software to many different users. The remote participation capabilities designed into the IT network, called NEES Grid, allows equipment sites to interconnect on the same research project, and it also provides access to other participating laboratories, researchers, and the rest of the earthquake community. International collaboration is also possible. In parallel with experimental work on physical structures, computer simulations will be used to subject virtual models of structures and soils to earthquake effects. Engineers will obtain new tools for designing higher levels of performance into essential and critical facilities. NEES research will also provide engineers with more efficient solutions to deal with the hazards posed by large inventories of ordinary bridges, buildings, and other structures. 3 of the NEES equipment sites feature new or expanded shake table facilities. This greatly increases the capabilities for conducting this type of large-scale dynamic simulation. With apparatus such as reaction walls in 6 of the NEES equipment sites, actuators will be able to exert seismic loads on large-scale structural specimens. Today's actuators have the dynamic capability to force specimens to move as rapidly as they would in a real earthquake. Geotechnical researchers will benefit from the 2 centrifuges in the NEES laboratory portfolio. The gravity effect of overlying soil can be realistically simulated by centrifugal forces, while shakers simultaneously simulate an earthquake. Large-scale soil deformation effects can be studied in another NEES laboratory, such as by subjecting full-scale buried pipelines to the effects of fault rupture. Tsunamis will be studied in the largest tsunami wave tank in the world, where effects on structures and coastal features can be physically simulated at a large enough scale to produce accurate results. A mobile array of shaking equipment designed to vibrate structures or the ground and instantly obtain data will be of great value to field investigations. A large tractor-like piece of apparatus capable of generating its own localized earthquake shaking is being used for site-specific geotechnical investigations. 2 locations in a highly seismic area of California have been instrumented to support research using artificially induced ground motions, as well as being able to capture soil and structural data from actual earthquakes. There is a variety of opportunities for involvement by people of many different disciplines and backgrounds. The NEES Consortium can provide information to guide researchers and practitioners to technical information on research capabilities, or concerning the use of experimental and analytical data. The consortium can also facilitate educators' use of NEES research data and images. Membership in the NEES consortium is available for both individuals and institutions.